Hello friends, welcome to another video on Excel. Today we will see how to shrink fit a data in a column. Let's start the video. See, we have this data and this is the name of a person and a salary of his. Okay. Now if I reduce the column width, the data will convert into exponential form which is unable to read. So to solve this issue, what I will do, I will select the cells, I will press Ctrl+1, this format cell tab will open, then I will go for alignment and click on shrink fit. I'll say OK. The data or the numbers which earlier unable to see, now it is clearly visible. Thank you.